Hey guys, welcome back to Tasha's Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious Haitian food recipes on YouTube. Today, guys, I am going to share with you how to make the most delicious beef stew with okra. If this is your first time to this channel, please consider to subscribe. Tasha's Cuisine is hosted by me, and I'm posting a lot of authentic Haitian food recipes here on Tasha's Cuisine. And I also share my natural hair journey, and I discuss about life topics on this channel as well. So please share these videos with your friends, your family, and invite them to subscribe. The purpose of subscribing to Taisha's Cuisine is to make your life easier in the kitchen. I am sharing all my tricks, all my recipes to make your life easier, and you are going to enjoy cooking. So let's get started, guys. I am going to share with you how to make the most delicious, mouth-watering beef stew with okra. It's absolutely quick and easy. You are going to love this recipe, and you will be able to replicate everything that I do as long as you follow everything that I do here in this video. Let's get started. As you can see here, guys, I have the okra, I have bell pepper, red bell pepper I'm using for this recipe, and 1 onion. So I would recommend that you let the meat season up overnight. You are going to see a huge difference. So what I use to season up the meat is the Haitian épice. If this is your first time on this channel, I do have another video that shows you exactly how to prepare this spice, okay? It is a great combination of herbs, scallions, garlic, thyme, parsley. These will add lots of flavor to the meat, okay? So I do have another video, be sure to check it out. So now, after I have everything prepared, I am going to use the nice saucepan. I add the olive oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I add the meat. So this is a different process, it's a different technique. What I'm going to do next, instead of adding water right away to let the meat boil or the tomato sauce, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it up with the lid for about 10 minutes. This process will help the meat to tenderize. It will be so super soft, so delicious. So definitely I would recommend that you give it a try. So normally I would add a little bit of red wine when I do this process, but I don't have red wine today. I am going to add water. It will still be delicious, so definitely give it a try. So now I am going to add water, and after I add the water, I chop the onions, the bell peppers, whatever that you prefer to add. You can definitely add in this sauce. It's all about your preference. So now I am going to add the red bell peppers and the onions. And after I add the onions, what I'm going to do next is adding my seasonings. And because my Haitian épice is really delicious, I am not going to add too much seasoning. So I'm using the turmeric powder and Italian herbs, Italian seasonings. If you have the herb de Provence, it's the same. I use both. So today I'm using the Italian seasonings and the hot sauce, which is the matuk. If you don't like spicy, I would recommend that you leave this out. But if you like your food or your sauce to have a little bit of pizzazz, I like to say a little bit of heat, definitely the matuk, I would recommend it. So I add matuk and Italian seasonings. What else? The turmeric powder. This is what I have so far, and then I'm going to add salt. That's pretty much what I have for seasoning. I'm also going to add 2 Jamaican hot pepper and cloves. So the hot pepper is not going to make it spicier. It's going to give it a nice flavor, guys. I know you might think, oh my gosh, this is super spicy. No, it's just for flavor. And then I add tomato sauce and then water. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cover it up with the lid one more time, and I am going to let it boil for a good 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the water is boiling. The last thing I'm going to do is add the okra. So my preference, I like when the okra is a little bit crunchy. That's why I add it at the end. I don't like when it's super mushy. So if you like it super soft, you can add it in the beginning. But my preference, I like to add it in the end. So as you can see, guys, the sauce is looking good. I'm only going to let it boil for an extra 10 minutes. This sauce can take you up to 25 to 30 minutes. It depends. I like my meat super tender, so I am very patient when I'm making my beef stew. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking good. I love to enjoy this with some vegetable rice. What would you eat this with? White rice will do, plantain. Drop your comments. Let me know if this recipe is useful. As usual, thank you so much for watching this video. Please share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. I'm posting lots of delicious Haitian food recipes on this channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Bye now.